All right, now we're at the home stretch. Of course, we're gonna rake up these leaves here. I'm gonna saw that down, hit that in half, take that away, hit all this. We're getting ready to go to the dump. What we did was we ratcheted those down real tight. I mean, this thing it wasn't here, it was like way up here. We ratcheted it. Ooh, I'm a little out of breath. But you know what? Let's get back at it. All right. We're gonna come back, get that. I don't wanna stress out my trailer. This wet, soggy wood, this wood ain't no joke. So I'm gonna dump that off. I'm gonna dump these things off, and I'm gonna come back and get that. And we're gonna take care of that. Let's get back at it. All right. Let's see. No more tree. No more tree. A little bit of sawdust and dirt, but hey, we're gonna be back to blow that off a little bit later. All right. Tidied up a little bit. Blew some things off, move some stuff around, rake some stuff up. And that's how I do it.